How to disassemble tires. Check the side of the tire cover, find the notch, pry open the tire cover with a small slotted screwdriver, and remove the mounting screws with a hex wrench. Before removing the tire, please mark both sides of the tire for installation. Release the air from the inner tube, insert a tire lever between the tire and the rim, and pry the tire off the rim. Important tips: push out the valve carefully and then separate the tire from the rim. How to assemble tires. After changing the inner tube, first align the valve with the opening of the rim, pass through the rim, and then fix the outer tube in place with a tire prying rod, and install the tire to the frame. Important note: observe the mounting surface of the tire to the frame and do not install it upside down. Install the screws in the order of 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, fix them on the first pass, and tighten them on the second pass.